Today we will begin our journey into subtracting with three-digit numbers. We're going to start today with all numbers on top that have a zero in the tens and the ones. And we're going to do some thousands. When there is a zero on top of the ones, you know it's going to need help unless there is a zero below it. So all of these don't have zeros below them, so these zeros need help because I cannot take 7 away from 0. If I have nothing, I have nothing to take away. So I wanted you to remember, we did a few like this before. I want you to cross out that whole number that's next to the 0. So this 50 is 50 tens because 50 tens makes 500. And if I'm going to send one of those tens over here, that leaves me with 49 tens. And I like writing the 4 right above the 5 and the 9 above the 0, which turns this 0 into a 10. So it had nothing. Then these 50 tens sent one over to give it 10, and then there's 49 left. Now I have 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 4 minus 1 is 3. I like crossing out the whole 50 to make it a 49 because I know if both of these are zeros, this will eventually be a 9 anyways, so I just do it in one step instead of two. Now over here, this one I'm doing just to show you have to remember even when there's nothing in the hundreds, you have to remember that this 100 is sitting up here. So I cannot do 0 minus 6, so I'm going to cross out this whole 80, which will become a 79, which will make this 0 a 10. And now I have 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2, and it would be easy for me to forget this 7 sitting up here because there's nothing below. 7 minus 0 is 7. I have to remember to bring it down. Now with 1,000, it's pretty much the same. I can't do 0 minus 3. I'm going to cross out this whole 100. And when I take 1 away from 100, it becomes 99. And I put the 9s above the 2 zeros. Because when I take away this one, there's nothing in the thousands anymore. It's just 99. And that makes this a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. And then I took care of that 1 because it became a 99. Same here, when I take a 2-digit number away, I'm still going to cross out that whole 100 and make it a 99. This 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. And I have to remember 9 minus 0 is 9. Now you're also going to have some word problems. No matter how they're written, you're going to end up writing a subtraction problem, but it's still good to think about them. And I definitely want you writing them vertically with one number on top of the other. The library has 600 bookmarks, so I'm going to write 600. They give away some of them, and now there are 293 bookmarks left over. How many bookmarks did the library give away? So 600 minus blank equals 293. I know I can switch that around to 600 minus 293 equals blank. I'm going to cross out this whole 60 and make it a 59 because I can't do 0 minus 3. This 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So my answer is 307 bookmarks. Gotta make sure I spell it like it is given in the problem.